So Josh, can you tell me what greywater is?
Greywater essentially is the water that's somewhere between fresh water, the drinking water, and black water, which is sewage. It's water that's been slightly used, and it can be reused for watering your plants outside.
So when we first heard about greywater, we were like, awesome! Guilt-free showers and tub soaks. And then as we started to research different systems, we realized that many of them were fairly high maintenance, where anytime you wanted to do something a little bit risky in your shower, like cleaning with Tilex or using some exotic hair dye, then you'd actually have to go into your crawl space to mechanically and physically turn a lever from greywater to sewer, and then when you were done, turn it back from sewer to greywater. Needless to say, this is just a deal breaker for many people, including us. So the good news is we came up with a very simple solution to this problem. We hired a greywater consultant, and he designed an elegant and effective system for us, which just involves a regular wall switch that electronically controls the valves. So here you go. I can turn from greywater to sewer, and then I can Tilex my shower, I can use a beautiful exotic hair dye, then I can rinse it out really well, come right back here, ta-da, done.
Welcome to underneath our house. I don't know about you, but every time I take a big, long, deep soak in the bathtub, I worry about the California drought. At least I used to, until we put in this greywater system. So this might look complicated down here with all these pipes going every which way, but it's actually mostly just a normal plumbing system. We just have a few extra pipes and valves going to this greywater storage tank that recycles our greywater, including from those long tub soaks, and pumps it out into the landscaping.
Every single time that the water flushes out of the greywater tank, there's a fairly decent plug of water that's being pushed into the landscape. And so every single time that it pushes through this device, it will divert the water to these 6 different pipes that you see here. And each one of these is a different zone that feeds the landscape. What we have here is this is basically the end of the line for your greywater system. And this is the point of distribution. As we know, we are over at the index valve. That's where the water comes out of the house and goes to the different zones. So we're at one of the zones, and this is basically where we dug a big hole in the ground, filled it full of gravel, and the pipe will flush water into this location.
If a pipe were to become clogged, there's an easy access port.
Yep.
We can clean it out. So it just makes life easier.
Yep. Basically, then the next coming crisis for this country or the world is going to be fresh water. So it's very low cost if you consider that this literally could become a worldwide crisis. Having fresh water. So.
Right. So using every drop better is important.
Yeah, absolutely.